Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like as it will help us to reach more people who need free educational and informative contents. Today we will learn about the functions of management. Let's understand what is management. Henri Fayol described management as to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and control the activities of others. It is a process guiding the resources of an organization to reach its goals efficiently and effectively. Next, we will see what are management functions. Henri Fayol identified 5 functions of management. These functions were universal, and that every manager performed these functions in their daily work. Functions of management help you stay informed about what you need to do and how so that you can guide your staff accordingly. Management experts like Fayol explain the functions of management to equip yourself with the right skills to become an accomplished manager. Understanding the functions of management is important in this modern era as it will help you become a more skilled and efficient manager. Next, we will see the classification of management functions. There are 5 management functions laid out by Henri Fayol, which are 1. Planning, 2. Organizing, 3. Staffing, 4. Directing, and 5. Controlling. First, we will understand the planning function. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. Planning requires that managers be aware of environmental conditions facing their organization and forecast future conditions. Planning requires the manager to direct the future courses of action based on available information. Planning means looking ahead and chalking out future courses of action to be followed. It is one of the main functions of a manager as the future of an organization depends on successful planning and deploying the plan. The second function is organizing. This is one of the key functions of managers. Organizing is the process of coordinating and allocating a firm's resources in order to carry out its plans. Organizing includes developing a structure for the people, positions, departments, and activities within the firm. Managers must organize the workforce in an efficient manner and structure and align the activities of the organization. Managers must also train and recruit the right people for the job and always secure a sufficiently skilled and educated workforce. The manager should aim all the activities in the organization towards the main objective of the organization. The third function is staffing. Staffing is the managerial function of recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion, and compensation of personnel. Staffing may be defined as the process of hiring and developing the required personnel to fill in the various positions in the organization. The manager should make sure that the correct person is selected for the job, or it will create problems in the future. Organization's success depends on its employees. So, recruitment, training, selection are given the highest priority in any organization. In simple words, staffing helps in getting the right people for the right job at the right time. The fourth function is directing. The directing function of management refers to the process of instructing, guiding, counseling, motivating, and leading people in the organization to achieve its objectives. It is one of the key managerial functions performed by every manager. Directing consists of process or technique by which instruction can be issued and operations can be carried out as originally planned. Therefore, directing is the function of guiding, inspiring, overseeing, and instructing people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Directing is the heart of management function. All other functions of management such as planning, organizing, and staffing have no importance without directing. The last and final function of management is controlling. Controlling consists of verifying whether everything occurs in conformities with the plans adopted, instructions issued, and principles established. Controlling ensures that there is effective and efficient utilization of organizational resources so as to achieve the planned goals. Controlling is essential to your business because it helps to check errors and implement corrective action, minimizing deviation from standards, and keeps your project management on track. This is done to minimize deviation from standards and ensure that the stated goals of the organization are achieved in a desired manner. Let us summarize what we learned today. Today we learned about functions of management, which are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These management functions helps you control your organizational resources and lead your organization to a successful future. Functions of management help you stay informed about what you need to do and how so that you can guide your staff accordingly. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and leave your valuable feedback as comments as it will help us improve our videos and reach more people. Thank you.